Winter is the best time of year to take stock of my succulents and to see if there's any that need any special love, special attention. And I found a few, like this haworthia. She has been such a good plant. She's sent out blooms year after year, these beautiful tall stalks, orange and vibrant blooms. So pretty. And it's time to bless her in return by giving her a new home, a bigger pot. So let's go investigate what secrets she's hiding. So I'm joined here with Mom today, and she's going to help me dissect this haworthia. How's it going, Mom?
Doing great. We're supposed to have rain today, so we got to get this project going.
Get her going. And so, are you ready?
I'm ready. Let's
Do you think it's going to be hard to get her out or easy?
No, I think she's just going to dump right out of there because she's root bound.
Oh, okay. Let's see.
I can pull straight up.
Oh, careful with her now.
Yeah,
she's precious.
Careful, little mama.
Oh, look at her. Okay, let's take a look at her. She's got one baby.
Two, three,
Two, three, four, five, six, seven, 8, 9 babies in there.
That's awesome.
Yay! We like to multiply, don't we?
I love babies. Well, I love plant babies. Well,
so she does have some tries, and she does look healthy though. She looks a little root bound, and she's going to enjoy being in a bigger pot.
Yep.
I can clean her up a little bit. I use the vacuum on her. I don't use it on my house, but I use it on her.
More fun to use it on your plants.
So yeah, so this is what she looks like, and she looks not bad.
She isn't really that root bound, but she'll be fine in a bigger pot.
Yeah, I've decided I'm gonna put her in this bigger pot. I know it's big. I know that haworthias like to be a little bit snug, but I'm planning on packing some things in, other succulents around her, and then dressing the topsoil. So we're going to do that. So let's get started. I stopped by Succulent Gardens Nursery and got some EB stone. And this is really good cactus and succulent soil. If you can find this, it's great stuff. So I've got a couple bags. If we need a couple bags, that's great. I'm fine. I got 4 bags altogether. But that's quite a bit. They have bigger bags, but it's just as well they were out of the big bags because my shoulder and neck have been giving me some problems. So it's best that I was carrying small bags. So it all works out.
It's like really good succulent soil.
It is. It's a little on the damp side right now, actually. I'm surprised.
It'll be all right.
But it should be fine. I shouldn't. I'll probably water her in, but she won't need a good water for a while after that. I'm planning on putting her back out underneath the tree where she was, under the pine tree.
Yeah.
So
she likes it under there. You can tell.
She has
9 babies, right?
Something like that.
Yeah.
So yeah.
Grab those babies.
So let me see if I could just gently wiggle this one out. Oh, perfect. Great roots on these. You're doing such a good job, Mama. Your babies are really healthy. Look at all these lovelies. Oh, look at this little baby.
Mama's ready, I think.
Wiggle, wiggle.
Oh.
That's great roots. I am so happy. This is so exciting. Okay, and this one, I don't know. She might need a more. Nope. That was easy.
Wow.
Oh my gosh, there's some hidden here.
That's a juvenile baby.
This guy, I'm going to leave that one in with her.
It can help Mama root.
See if we can make a little hole for her to slip into. And my plan is to gather some other cuttings from different succulents to put around the edge of her. What I'm going to do is just give her a good shake. Doesn't hurt her. And I can see the base of her where she needs to be covered up still. And these haworthias have the most beautiful blooms, Mom. I don't know if you've ever seen them. They get these stalks with these orange blooms. Beautiful. And yeah, they're gorgeous. There's one. And then just kind of tuck that soil around, just like so. And firm it in. And we're going to go ahead and water these all in after we're done. Isn't that cute? They're so precious. I love them.
Put those right now.
So we have 3 so far. And then I think because this little guy has so much room in here, I'm going to go ahead and add some companion plants. And this sedum should work good. It already. We're just going to dress it with some pumice, and it gives it a nice finish. Makes it look nice and clean. You don't have to do this. As you can see, the one that I took out, the mama, was fine without. So it's not, you know, something that you have to do. But if you like kind of a cleaner look.
Nice.
Yeah.
Get better that way.
And we'll do the babies too. Did a good job, Mom.
Don't get paid much, but
I love you with all my heart.
I know you do. I love you.
Thanks for joining me today on Garden Discovery and separating a succulent and getting some pretty babies out of it. I hope you have a great day, great week. Subscribe, hit the like button, and we'll see you next time. Bye.